Every few weeks, there's a new list. The 10 best AI tools, the 12 AI tools that will change your business, the 500 AI tools someone tested so you don't have to. And if you're a small business owner who's already overwhelmed, those lists don't help. They make it worse, because now you have 12 new things to figure out on top of everything else you're already managing. So today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to tell you the only AI tools you actually need, and why the answer is probably simpler than you think. If you've ever opened one of those articles and felt immediately overwhelmed, drop a hand in the comments. That was me too, and I want you to know you're not behind. You're just human. I'm Sabrina Prouty. I spent 30 years inside Fortune 100 healthcare companies figuring out which tools actually made a difference. I helped organizations save over $30 million by removing what didn't need to be there. That same instinct is what I bring to AI. Not, here's everything you could use. Here's what actually matters for a business like yours. Let me start with the truth. Most AI tools do the same thing. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, they're all AI assistants. The differences matter if you're a developer. They matter very little if you're a business owner who needs help with day-to-day work. So the first thing to take off your plate, you don't need to compare all of them. Pick one, use it for 30 days, and see what happens. That's it. My recommendation, start with Claude or ChatGPT. Both have free versions. Both work immediately without any setup. Go to claude.ai or chat.openai.com, create a free account, and you're ready. Now here's what you actually use it for. And I'm going to be very specific, because use AI to save time is not helpful advice. The first use, thinking through decisions. This is the one most people don't expect. When you're stuck on a business decision, open the tool and describe the situation honestly. Not a one-line question, the full picture. What you're trying to decide, what you've already considered, what success would look like. Then let it ask you questions. Answer those honestly too. By the end, you'll have more clarity than you've had in weeks. I use this for everything. Pricing decisions, content direction, difficult client situations. It helps me think clearly enough to make the decision myself. The second use, writing first drafts of anything. Emails, proposals, social media posts, your about page. You don't have to start from a blank page anymore. Describe what you need, who it's for, and ask for a first draft. Then edit it in your own voice. This alone saves most business owners 2 to 3 hours a week. Not because it's perfect, but because starting is the hardest part. The third use, summarizing and organizing information. Got a long document? Paste it in and ask for a summary. Got notes scattered across 3 places? Ask it to organize them into action items. This is the organized friend version of AI. That's it. 3 uses, 1 tool. That's the whole starting point. I know there are 100 other things AI can do. Automations, image generation, analytics. But if you start there, you'll be overwhelmed before you get any value. Start with one real thing. That's what changes the relationship from something scary to something that actually helps. Here's my honest verdict. Start with Claude or ChatGPT. Free, no setup. Add later if you want. Canva AI for visual content, Notion AI for notes. Skip for now. Everything else. You don't need it yet. If you want to figure out which uses matter most for you, let's talk. That's exactly what the Business Clarity Consultation is for. We look at how your business actually runs and where AI gives you hours back. The first step is a free discovery call. Book one at the link in the description. And come join the Sensible Practice community. It's free and it's a really good group. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.